guys, welcome to the new video. Previously I have uploaded two videos which were voiceless. I hope you managed with those videos. Due to some reason I was busy so I couldn't give my voice to the videos. Then too I managed to make those videos for you guys. I hope you like those videos. So let's get started with our new topic today. How to get the phone data from any phone. So let's get started with this trick. For this trick, you will require one application. That application name is Keylogger, as you can see on the screen. Simply I will open this application. After opening the application, I will simply give permission to this application. I will simply click on OK. After clicking on OK, I will click on download services. After doing so, I will go to the Keylogger section, as you can see. I will simply give the permission to it. I will simply on this and click on allow. After doing so, I will go to the back, again back, and I will simply minimize this application. After doing so, we will go to the Chrome browser. After coming to the Chrome browser, I will simply type here Facebook. I am just showing you how this application works. You just need to know the concept of this application. Once you know the concept of this application, you can use this application anyhow, at any way, any purpose you want to do, but use it for a good cause. So simply I will click on Facebook. After clicking on Facebook, I will show you how this application works. So we'll simply enter your random details, just like anything, MJH, anything. And here also anything. That's all. We will simply minimize it and remove from the back screen. After removing from the back screen, we will go to the Keylogger option. Coming to the Keylogger option, as you can see, I have entered two details over here. So one is Facebook and another one was username and another one was password. So you can see it has captured the phone data of the to the application. So that's how this application works. So you can try on any other thing you want. If you are messaging someone, then too it will capture the data. If you are doing any activity, any writing activity, it will capture all writing activity, whatever you are trying to do. So for example, I will just write anything over here, whatever I wish to write. So do subscribe our channel. Do subscribe our channel and give your valuable support. So you can see I have written this, and again I will show you how does it capture. So you can see it has captured whatever I've written over here. So in same way, if you give your phone to your friend for using with this application, and if he write the data on your phone, all those data will be captured in Keylogger app. So this is how you can use this application for your benefits. But remember, use it for a good cause. I won't be responsible if you are using it for misuse purpose. So don't misuse this app. Use it for a good cause, as it's a knowledgeable video, or I can say general knowledge video for you people. So use it for a good cause. So I have shown you the example how to work with this application. Even you are chatting with someone, then too it will capture the data, whatever you are writing over here, whatever you are writing to someone, then too it will capture the data. So every data will be captured over here in this application. That's how it works. I will mention this application link in the description below. You can get this application from the description itself, or this application will be in the comment section as it was in the last video. So I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for watching this video and giving your valuable time to this video, and I hope you will like, subscribe, comment and share our videos to your friends, family, relatives, anyone you want to share. Also do subscribe our Telegram channels, our Instagram profile. So give your support, and soon most valuable videos are coming and even the courses are coming. Thank you for watching all those stuff and for your valuable support. Thank you guys.